Well, the official introduction of new principal leadership was announced today at Wilson Central High School, and it's a name and face that's very familiar to these Wildcats. Wilson Central's new principal is one of their former assistant principals, Dr. Jennifer Ankney.
I've loved this school for 4 years, and I'm going to keep loving this school. It's been my home, and I'm thrilled. I couldn't be more excited.
Director of Schools Jeff Luttrell officially introduced her today on the final day of teacher in-service before the start of school next week. And that announcement was welcomed with quite the applause. Among those in attendance was Mr. Travis Mayfield. He was beloved as principal out on Wildcat Way for several years. He recently accepted the position of the district's new Deputy Director of Operations. And his endorsement for Dr. Ankney is also very high.
I know she will do a great job. There's no doubt in my mind. And she doesn't need to try to be me. You know, I would be terrible trying to be her. It's a team approach. The team's in place. It's a good team. She's going to do great.
With a new shift in Wilson Central leadership, Dr. Ankney knows the school inside and out. She served as an AP there for the past 4 years. So this transition has all the proper shape and size to be a naturally smooth fit.
I've worked here a while. I know the staff, I know the students, I know the community. I believe that a lot of people respect me, and I don't want to let anyone down, so I'm going to do my very best to lead Wilson Central, and we're going to be successful and be here for kids. That's what we do.
As for Mr. Mayfield, he will miss being principal at Wilson Central, but realizes that this opportunity is a great one for Dr. Ankney. She couldn't be more appreciative of all that he's provided for her.
I've been very blessed. He's been my mentor for 4 years, my mentor and my friend. He's taught me a lot about building relationships, and he's just a very good man. He's built a lot of capacity in me and involved me in so many opportunities for decision making. He really, I feel like, has gotten me ready, built capacity in me to be able to take over the reins and lead Wilson Central.
Wilson Central is now Dr. Ankney's place, but there's just one more thing left to do to make it officially official.
That's it. I will turn in my keys. I'll turn in my keys. I don't want to.
Mr. Mayfield would finally give up those keys, and to finish it off, he gave a hug and some words of encouragement.
Okay.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Dr. Ankney is ready to roll when Wilson Central opens its doors for students on Monday.
People want to be here. I think it says a lot about our culture, who we are. We love kids. People want to be here, and we're making waves.
I'm Bart Barker with Wilson County Schools.